Want to turn one product feed into ads across Google Search, YouTube, Display, Discover, Gmail, and Maps? Let's break down how a smart feed powers both shopping and Performance Max campaigns. Think of your Google product feed as the engine for all your ads. Feed accuracy equals better ad matching and lower CPA. Every attribute acts like coordinates, guiding Google to the right shopper. Shopping campaigns pull directly from your feed to create product ads. Performance Max spreads the same products across multiple platforms automatically. One feed, many doors. Brand exclusion controls are now split. Keep branded traffic in shopping, but exclude branded terms from search ads. Smarter control, better results. Here's how to optimize your feed. A. Use supplemental feeds or rules to tweak titles by query theme, like size, color, or brand. B. Segment by margin or lifecycle with custom labels for PMax asset groups. C. Keep images, prices, and availability updated to prevent wasted impressions. Treat your product feed like your ad GPS. Accurate attributes guide Google to the right shoppers, maximize reach, and lower costs. Update your feed and watch your campaigns soar. Need help with your online business journey? Ask me anything below.